It is difficult to dispute the fact that government policy and political events have a pronounced influence on financial markets. However, stock market returns are the result of many different factors, so it is not always possible to establish a direct connection between developments in financial markets and the world of politics. So, is it at all possible to glean anything from recent political events that may affect the stock market? Let's take a look. With Democrats demanding the regulation of social media firms, attacking Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook at every opportunity, and leftist politicians up in arms over tax handouts to Jeff Bezos' company Amazon in liberal cities, that leaves just one simple question. Why was Nancy Pelosi's family making leveraged, long bets on tens of millions of dollars worth of shares in Amazon, Facebook, and Apple in the months leading up to the midterm elections? According to House of Representatives official filings, the likely soon to be majority leader of the House, Nancy Pelosi, reported numerous huge call option purchases in the last few months. And as shown here in September, Pelosi bought 100 call options, which essentially represents 1,000 shares, in Apple with a strike price of $145 per share and a maturity of June 19th, 2020. In October, Pelosi bought 30 call options, which represents 3,000 shares in Amazon with a strike price of $1,600 per share and a maturity of January 17th, 2020. 10,000 shares of AT&T and 30 call options representing 3,000 shares in Facebook with a strike price of $140 per share and a maturity of January 17th, 2020. In 2014, Nancy Pelosi reported between $43.4 million and $202 million in assets, with Nancy battling the increasingly socialist progressives of her new party to maintain her role as leader. One wonders what Alexandria Ocasio Cortez and Bernie Sanders will make of this ugly capitalism being unleashed at such an inopportune time. Apparently, Pelosi is not aware that history shows that when Democrats are in control of government, the stock market underperforms when Republicans are in control. So it is notable that Pelosi's investments have taken a more serious tumble in the weeks since the Democrats won the House in the midterms. So one must ask this last question. Did Nancy expect the Republicans to win the House when she made those purchases? So for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.